To save time in Notepad++, record macros. I keep Notepad++ open all day, making notes as I go. And I like to section things off with lines. So I made a couple of macros that I can insert a line quickly. So if I do Control-Shift =, it gives me a long line. Control-Shift- gives me a short single line. So I'll show you how I set those up. To start, I go to the Macro tab, start recording. Make a long line, press the Enter key just so I'm on the next line, go to the Macro tab, and stop recording. The next step is test what you've recorded. So Macro, playback, and there's the line I drew, looks perfect. And then go to Macro, save current recorded macro. I'll call this my line equal, and then choose a shortcut. I'll use Control-Alt and go down and find that equal sign here and click OK. Now if I press Control-Alt and equal sign, I'll get my long line. Or go to Macro and choose one of the macros that I've entered here. So I hope you can think of some ways to use these Notepad macros too.